Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make necklaces with real lava stone from Iceland. Right now I'm putting the UV resin and I'm going to spread it out with toothpick, my favorite. The reason I decided to make necklaces with real lava stone from Iceland is that my sister actually live in Iceland and she bring me this rock as a present, and I decided that to play a little bit and try to make something that you can keep with you everywhere and the memories. And I'm going to give this necklace as a present for her. And yes, now I'm lighting the UV resin with the lighter so I can get the bubbles out. This is very important. And now I want to see which shape, what size I'm going to put in each bezel. Then I'm going to cure for a minute or two. These necklaces seems quite easy, but to be honest, it's not that easy because I haven't found for now the way of undoing. Because the final part, when you cure with the final UV resin, there it's coming one big bubble around some of the necklaces, around the rock, the lava rock, and this I haven't found how to fix it, but maybe with the time I will find a way. And if you know something, you can share with me and text it in the comments, please. Right now I'm going to cure for 1 minute, and now after the curing process I'm going to cover the each lava stone with UV resin. I'm going to use my favorite toothpick, and you need to make sure that the stone is covered completely with the UV resin. And if you like this video, this idea of something new, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Here is the final process of curing. You can cure for 2 minutes as a final process. And here you see the final result. You see one of the necklaces have a quite big bubble. And you can fix this by putting glitter with UV resin. Please, if you like this video, give it a like, share with friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Here are the final beautiful necklaces. I will post my link in Etsy